To be honest, I consider myself a household blogger who knows how to clean. I have all kinds of cleaners for water storage and oil removal. Will cause this situation, except for me. No one in the family can tell what this and this are used for. Fortunately, I finally found a bottle of multifunctional cleaner, which is really one enemy against 100. It is also very simple to use. Just pour the concentrated solution in the capsule into the matching watering can. Dilute with some water and you can use it. The nozzle can also be switched to foam or spray at will, which is suitable for cleaning in various places in the home, such as bathroom partitions, every time you drink it. Let it stand for a while, rinse it with water, and it will be clear and transparent immediately. There are also pen marks that slipped on the tabletop. Wiping it with it can also eliminate scratches on the white wall with its official CP Magic Sponge. It only takes a few seconds to remove old stains. Let's try to spray a little Lelyn cleaner in.